expecting here that the Blues would come to play at time to look at what's happened in the past in Fiji. They're a good team.
Yeah, I mean they're a good team. They respected us by bringing their best, and I thought after 20 minutes it's 0-0 and they take a penalty, and we'll probably rue the fact that I think we made the first 4 line breaks of the game and we didn't capitalise. We need to, as you said, the Blues are a good side, and if you're going to get an opportunity to breach them and get behind them, you need to score. And we didn't take those on probably 4 occasions in that first half, and then I thought it was a bit of a soft try that we gave them just before half time. So and then the second half was just a battle, and they're a good side, and they threw stuff at us and we held on, and at times we went back and just didn't finish off some work. So our learning is probably against these good sides you might get 5-6 opportunities, and you need to take them all if you want to be competitive.
But again, as you say, there were times in the match where the Drua were again very competitive.
Yeah, I was disappointed that last try. Wouldn't have made any difference to the game, but that's the sort of stuff that we play, and we were still battling away at the end there to do it. So, but we needed to be better in that first half when the game was on the line to get on top of a side, and we're into a breeze, and there's a few things that when we made those line breaks, that was the disappointing thing.
To be a tough day, scrum time today, which is sort of unlikely to do because you've been on the up.
Yeah, I think they did their homework and showed us different pictures today. I think personally something they did today was new to me. We were talking with front rows, but I know we'll get better. Go back to the drawing board, and hopefully nothing like that happens again.
What's the mood like in the dressing room?
Oh, the boys are a bit down, obviously, but we know that. I think we made some plays today that we didn't finish off. So the disappointment is not necessarily that we weren't competitive, or we were beaten by a good side, but at times we were getting behind them and causing them grief. So it's frustrating and disappointment, but certainly encouraging signs there for us to get together and get to work on Monday and go again next week.
As a leader, what's your message to the team? 7 days can be a long time in rugby, so there's time to get it back together.
Yeah, we didn't exit well last week. We focused a lot on it, and I think we did exit well today. But as coach said, we had a lot of opportunities, line breaks, but the passes just weren't sticking, and the ball was slippery out there. But I think no excuse. I think we should have taken the ruck and had to be better. And looking forward to going back to the drawing board and working on our mistakes and errors, and hopefully come out fighting next week.
Coach, what are some things you feel that you will need to work on, getting back to the top 8 in the Super Rugby in the match next week?
Well, I think we just have to finish our plays. We created a lot of good plays today, and we just need to finish better. And that's what we'll work on. And it's just our passion to score tries every time we touch the ball, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's just needing to be picking our moments. When you're playing a good side and you're getting behind them, you want to capitalise on that opportunity, and we missed a couple of those today.
Still confident in getting to the top?
Yeah. We've got our last 4 games. We've got the Hurricanes here next week, and then we've got our last 4 games. And I think I don't know what the ladder looks like at the moment after but we're all. Those 4 games, all those teams are fighting for a spot at the 8, so it'll be in our hands when we get to those last 4 games.
Thank you.
Take care.
Mecca.